Need to remove Dropbox from your computer. Whether you're switching cloud storage services or simply don't use Dropbox anymore, uninstalling the app is pretty straightforward. In this guide, I'll show you how to safely remove Dropbox from Windows and Mac, while also covering what happens to your synced files. Before uninstalling anything, make sure your important files are safely stored. Open your Dropbox folder and check that anything you need is fully synced. Don't skip this step, especially if you have files that exist only on your computer. Next, close Dropbox completely. On Windows, click the Dropbox icon in the taskbar notification area, open the menu, and choose the option to quit Dropbox. On Mac, use the Dropbox icon in the menu bar and select the quit option. Now let's remove Dropbox from Windows. Open Settings, select Apps, then Installed Apps. Find Dropbox in the list, open its menu, and choose Uninstall. Follow the prompts until Windows confirms that the application has been removed. On a Mac, open Finder and select Applications from the sidebar. Find Dropbox, then move the application to the trash. You may need to enter your Mac password or confirm the action. After that, empty the trash if you want to remove the application completely. Now, here's an important point. Uninstalling the Dropbox application does not automatically delete the files stored in your Dropbox account online. Your cloud files remain available through the Dropbox website. However, local files that were already downloaded to your computer may remain on the device. If you want to clean up completely, check your computer for the Dropbox folder and any remaining Dropbox-related files. Be careful here. Only delete local files after confirming that anything important is safely stored online or somewhere else. Finally, restart your computer and check your installed applications again. Dropbox should no longer appear as an installed desktop application. You can still access your account through the web whenever you need your files. And that's it, you're done. So that's how to uninstall Dropbox safely. Just remember to check your files first, quit the app, uninstall it, and verify that anything important is backed up before cleaning up local folders.